Working on the old Craftsman LTV 11, and look what I come across. See that sticking out? I've seen this before. I know what this is. There's a mouse nest under here. As Terrell Fixes All would say, Fluffy got into the engine again. On the Terrell Fixes All channel. If you haven't seen him, check him out. He's pretty funny and very knowledgeable. Let's see. I believe this is a 1984. I think that code there. Amazing, that still runs. I rebuilt the deck a couple years back. Anyway, what happens when you run an engine when it's got a fluffy nest under it, aka mouse nest. This engine cover on here is designed because it's air cooled and it's got fins under here. It drives air around, keeps it cool because it's not like a car engine, it doesn't have coolant or anything. And if you got a mouse nest under here that blocks the airflow, and this engine will overheat and it will blow up. So if you ever see, it's a good thing to keep an eye out. I can see stuff packed in there. I don't know if you can see it. There's stuff packed in there. So I'm gonna have to take the cover off. It's just most of these bigger Briggs engines, Briggs and Stratton, they're just 2 bolts on the back. And then I think 2 bolts on the other side. Yeah, there's one down there, and then you got the dipstick tube. That's like a, I don't know, you can usually use a Phillips screwdriver, not that one, but it's like a 5/16 or something. And it should lift right off and then you can get Fluffy's nest out. That son of a gun is back. I have a good mouse killer cat, but I had a big tarp on here, an old piece of plastic and some tarp material that I made, and it was kind of facing into the wind, I mean the sun, over the winter, and I suppose it was kind of a warm spot for Fluffy. That sucks. It really sucks because it's a waste of time for me. What are you looking at? What are you looking at? So, let's see, I think these are 3/8 and 11. Or no, 7/16. 7/16. Anyways, just a little tip. Keep an eye out for Fluffy's nest. Otherwise, you may blow your engine up. Alright, let's see the damages that Fluffy did. Don't lose this clip either, that's for the oil fill tube. Pretty special. I wonder if Fluffy's, hopefully there's no babies. One year, my other tractor, little babies started falling out into the starter and crushing them. It was kind of gross. Let's see. I feel like that's not routed, right? Oh yeah. Look at that nice condo. That for sure would have ran hot. It's hot out today as well. Better not have to take that off. Oh, good. God dang mice, I tell ya. Here, Fluffy, Fluffy. No babies, that's good. Wow. Packed full. Couldn't have been packed any more than that. Wow. That son of a gun. Jeez. I'll have to get the air hose out probably and blow it out. That's the kind of shit you gotta watch for. If you're handling these nests like me, be sure to wash your hands right away. Some mice carry diseases. You don't want to be touching your face after you touch this. Boy, that's disgusting, huh? It's actually good to do this once in a while anyways, because look at the grass buildup on the flywheel. It's not really helping anything. I need safety glasses. Don't forget the safety glasses. Oh, that son of a gun! God dang it! Mice just wreck everything. You see the spark plug wire? God dang it! Oh boy, I don't know if it's gonna run like that. Doesn't look like it went through the wire. I think I'm just gonna temporarily wrap electrical tape around it. Be good for now, and then I'll scrounge up a... God dang it. Yeah, replace the whole coil. Ah, shoot. Look, that's more work. It's only 2 little bolts, but I have to find a coil. There we go. Good as new, right? Let's hope so. And voila, all back together. This cover, mice getting into it, under it, that's one thing you should check at the start of every season before you mow. Along with your tire pressures, oil, make sure there's oil in it. This one was actually very low. It's over the winter. I don't know if you can tell, but even on the deck, there's oil. It's actually good for the deck to keep it from rusting, but it was leaking out. I think it was leaking out on the oil fill tube. I've seen this before. There's a little rubber grommet washer. So every once in a while, just push down, and that seals it up a little bit better. And I've noticed on these clips that hold the fill tube on, there's a little space. So I'm going to devise a little piece of metal to push down more, because that'll tighten it and push it down, hold it down tighter. I think that's kind of just a flaw on all of these engines. I don't know if the newer ones have it, but I know they sell them on eBay, those little rubber washers, so I'm gonna buy a few of them, because my other tractor needs one too. So there you go. Make sure to watch out for the fluffies. Later. Have a good day. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you liked the video.